Gang, it's your boy Nature, aka Nature. Gang, part two. All right, so prices at 1828. Um, it went to 1828. Right. That was the highest point price went to before heading back down. The second highest point price went to was what? 1827. Right here, this 1827 level. Um, right here, boom, 1827. Before what? Heading back down for the day. Hit right here, right to our key level, 1815. Before what? Coming back up for the day and closing at 1818 for the overall week. So we need structure. So we scroll down to the 2 hour. We first go to the overall, find the overall trend, analyze the market, find the overall trend on the 4 hour and a daily, and see in the 2 hour and 1 hour to see where price is overall. Going to head, is it going to head up or down? Once we seen price did not it came back up here and did not break above this last high. If price would have broke above this last high, okay, obviously we're going up to 1840, but it never did that. So once I seen price did not want to break above this last high, this low is lower than this low. It made a lower low. This low, this low. I mean, this lower high is lower than this. This lower high is lower than this lower high. So you want to get in for sales off the lower high. You don't want to get in for sales down here, somewhere down here, because price obviously is going to head back up, and you're going to blow your account, obviously. Um, Unless you have that much money in your account and you can hold that. But that's a bad entry to get in at right here. It's very, very hard. It's very, you have to be very, very patient with the market to find out um entries, find perfect entries like sniper entries. So once we seen price could not break above this last high right here. This last high, price did not want to break above this last high, which is at 1828, right? It came all the way up to 1827, but it did not break above this last high. So once we knew price did not want to break above this last high, we are now looking for sales. You will look for sales on the lower high. You will wait for price to make a lower high, made a lower low, going to make a lower high. You have to allow the market. You have to allow the market and price to do what it's supposed to do. It's going to make a lower low and then make a lower high before making a lower low. You have to allow that to happen. So you have to be very, very patient with the market, right? So it could not break above this last this last higher high. It then made a lower low, letting us know that okay, sellers are pushing price back down. It pushed back up. To get sellers back in. If people miss that trade, it's okay because price is going to always push back up. It's going to come back up here. Um, Once we knew that price did not want to come back up here, this uptrend right here, right here, boom, this uptrend is no longer valid, right? This uptrend is no longer valid. Uh, so boom, we now are in a downtrend, right? We're now in a downtrend. Um, Boom, from here to here. Downtrend candles are below this trend line. When candles are below this trend line, we're in a downtrend. When candles are above this trend line, boom, obviously you can see candles are above this trend line. We're in an uptrend. Candles are below this trend line. We're in a downtrend. So you will draw your trend line. That could be one of your confluences. It made a lower high. It made a lower low. That could be another confluence. And then I want to break this higher high. This last higher high. That could be another confluence. You need about three of them, three signs before actually getting in this market and actually getting in for the trade. So it could not break above this area right here. It did not break above this last area that price was in. Boom. So we're looking for sales. So you would just have to adjust to the market. You have to adjust to the market and see what the market is showing you, and draw your trend line. See what the market is showing you. Obviously, we could have drawn a Fibonacci here too. We could have drawn Fibonacci from here, our last high, from the last swing high to what? Where price went all the way to our key level. We can draw from the last high to our key level. It literally went right to our key level, 27 extension level. Sorry about that. Um, Price went right to our key level, our 27 extension level. Boom, boom. I don't know why it's showing up like that. Let me actually delete that and do that again. Because I don't know why. Oh, it's doing that. Let's draw that again. Fibonacci. Fibonacci will be from here. Right to our key level. Boom, right to 27 extension. Obviously, draw this trend line off of here. I don't know why it's not staying. Kind of weird. Okay, here we go. Cool, right? You can see price went right to our 27 extension level, 1815 level. Sometimes price will go to this 1815 level. We could draw this a little up a little further, like right here, I guess. We can go out the box. You know, right to our 27 extension level. Sometimes price will go to 0, 8, 18, 16 before it won't always sometimes go to 27 extension. It'll go right to 0, 18, 16 level. Before you know it'll stop here and head back up and then stop back here. Sometimes it won't go all the way to 27 extension. But still from 27 all the way from the top 27 all the way down to literally 18, 15. You know, depending on your lot size, that's about 6, 8K, 12K, 2K, 1K. Depending on your lot size, it could be 20K, 30K, 50K. I'm gonna be showing y'all those too, like 20K trades. I have a few 20K trades on there. But like I said, price went right to our 27 extension level. You can see we have our 78 6-point level, 61 8 level, 5 level, 38 point 0.386 level. Price got all the way down to our 0.16 level. Like I said, price won't always go to 0.27 level, but it'll get close to it. It'll get real close to it. So that's what price did. It went right to our 27 extension level. Cool. All right, so boom, we're out this trade. Went right to our level. I just wanted to show y'all that one Fibonacci. To show y'all Fibonacci real fast. So it came right here, came back up here. After a major trend like that, a major downtrend like that, price is going to come back up. And especially it's going to close at 1818. It has to find somewhere to close at. So most likely it's not going to close down here. It's going to come back up and close like right here at 1818 for the day. So you can see price did come all the way down to 1815 level before closing at 1818. All right, gang. What's another thing I could tell y'all? Like gold moves very fast. So once you're in a trade, just stay in that trade. Literally, just stay in the trade and ride the trade out. I recommend that you don't try to put in too many trades in the beginning. Just focus on the trades that you have. Like, just focus on the trades that you have, and everything and just focus on one or two trades. I like to trade one or two trades. I don't literally try to trade like 4 5 trades. You shouldn't be trading like 4 or 5 trades starting off. Anyhow, just trade like one or two trades, okay? And gold broke all the way down here. Gold broke all the way down here. Like we said, we'll go to our key level. Went right to our next key level, 1815. Okay, so before what? Heading back up to 1818. So all right, gang. I'll be posting a lot more content. So I got y'all. It's your boy Nature, aka Nature Gang.